Cool stuff. All good. Let's go and apply some categories to the posts that you and I have created. So all I'm going to do here is I'll just head over to Edit underneath Posts here on the left-hand side. And I think probably what I'll do is I'll just kind of work my way through each of these guys here. I'll start at the bottom maybe. What is Flash? I'll click on that guy. Into this post here as if we're editing the post, right? And I'm just going to scroll down, and lo and behold, here on the right-hand side underneath categories, we have all of the categories that you and I just created together, and uncategorized is marked off by default, which is, again, that default is going to be applied to every single post that you and I create, right? I'll show you how to go and change the default category in just a minute too, by the way. So you can go all categories, you can go most used if you want to use that tab, that's fine as well. So I think what I'll do here, so what's our title? What is Flash? So I'll go animation, and I'll go video tutorials, and I'll go news and updates as well, and I don't want it to be marked as uncategorized. And then I'm just going to click on Update, and I'll wait for WordPress to catch up to me here. So this is the What is Flash post. So I'm going to flip back over to the Preview tab here, the preview of our blog, and simply refresh. And let's see if we can go find that post, What is Flash, posted in animation, news and updates, video tutorials. Awesome. Does that make sense? So in other words, this post is now organized or sorted underneath these headings here. I click on animation, and it's going to show me all of the posts that are organized or categorized underneath the animation category, which is only one post, but you get the idea, right? Cool. All right, let's go and add in some more categories to our remaining posts here. So back into the back end here. I'll go back to Edit there over on the left-hand side. I think probably what I'll do here with you is I'm going to rip through the next part really quickly, because it's really more of just the same, everything that you've seen so far, at least in the first few minutes here. It's going to be the same as how we set up this What is Flash post. And by the way, you can see underneath categories here, there's all the categories that we just applied to What is Flash. So I'm going to head into Flash's minimum requirements. Scroll down. I really don't like that uncategorized, drives me crazy. Let's go animation, news and updates, and we'll do video tutorials again. Every single time you change your categories, don't forget to update your post, otherwise you're toast. There's an interesting rhyme that'll help you remember that. Okay, I'm going to go back to Edit here. Oh, it's giving me this here. I'm just going to say okay. All right, now go ahead and apply a few categories to a few of your posts, and I'll catch up with you in just a sec. I wanted to get a bunch of posts marked here properly because I want to show you how this is actually going to work in the live blog here. So now that I've refreshed the live preview, Flash's drawing models, drawing in Flash, video tutorials, working with color, copying fills and strokes with the eyedropper tool, animation, drawing in Flash, working with color. Makes sense? I hope so. Same idea here. Let's click on working with color, and any post that's been categorized with the working with color category now displays. So you can think of this as your entire blog, but it's only displaying the posts that have been marked as working with color. Does that make sense? So in other words, when I go out to the top level of my blog, I see everything, right? Well, maybe I'm visiting your blog and I don't want to see everything. I only want to see posts that are related to drawing in Flash. Does that make sense? So, I mean, there's so many different applications for this, but that's the idea anyway. I hope that's all good for you. And I definitely encourage you to not only mess with this a little bit more on your own, but definitely use it in your own blog, because this is really a nice way to allow users to navigate around inside your blog. And you always want to give users multiple ways to navigate, right? Of course, it goes without saying, over on the right-hand side, at least in my theme, I see animation, drawing in Flash, news and updates, video tutorials, working with color. And I can see in brackets the number of posts that are sorted or categorized underneath each heading or each category. Awesome.